Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Tether from Uphold to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates since crypto rules can change. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Binance. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select Tether, USDT. You'll see an option to withdraw, click on that. Next, head over to Binance. Log in there and go to your wallet. Find the deposit section for USDT. Binance will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, to avoid any lost funds. Now, back in Uphold, paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Tether you want to withdraw, but keep an eye on any fees. Uphold might charge a small transaction fee. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're confident, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Binance and check your wallet to ensure the Tether has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just wait a bit longer or contact support. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn Tether from Uphold to Binance. Remember, crypto involves risks, so only transfer what you can afford to lose. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy in the crypto world. See you next time.